Today's video is a chance to really slow down for a few minutes and simply enjoy beautiful interiors. No trends to chase, no decorating rules to follow, just a collection of inspiring spaces filled with texture, color, light, and a lot of thoughtful design. Whether you're gathering ideas for your own home or simply looking for a moment of calm, I hope these rooms inspire you and spark a few ideas along the way. But before we get started, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Check the description box. I'm gonna have everything that I used in this video listed. Now, let's get to work. Now, one of the things I love most about great design is that it doesn't always rely on expensive furniture or perfectly styled spaces. Often, it's the small details, a favorite chair, a stack of books, a beautiful lamp, or the way natural light moves through a room that really makes a space feel special. As you watch, pay attention to the colors, the textures, and materials that keep appearing. Sometimes the easiest way to discover your personal style is to notice which rooms make you pause and look a little bit longer than the others. Now, beautiful homes don't have to be large or luxurious. The most memorable spaces are often the ones that feel welcoming, comfortable, and authentic to the people who live in them. Good design is less about perfection and more about creating a home that feels like you. I hope you enjoyed this quiet collection of interiors and found a few ideas to take with you. If you saw a room, a color palette, or decorating detail that inspired you, let me know in the comments down below. And if you just enjoyed relaxing home decor content like this, be sure to subscribe to Home Decor 101 for more decorating inspiration, design ideas, and beautiful spaces. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.